How many of you have seen something like this before? This 20 years old girl is working as a vulcanizer just to support her family to put food on the table.
Hi, my name is Adeleke Bose. I'm 20 years old girl. I do this vulcanizer job to support my family and to put food on the table for them in this hard economy.
This is the first time in my life I'm seeing a female vulcanizer.
At what age did you start doing this job?
30 years old, sir.
What actually inspired you to start it? Was it your daddy's decision?
Yes, sir.
Why?
Because he doesn't want us to be roaming about in the streets. And for now, I'm the eldest sister because my sister is not around. And my junior one, they are still young. So I need to support him. I need to assist him. So I will be able to enter university because I'm waiting for my admission. So I need to support him so he can gather the money for me to be able to go to university.
How profitable is it? How much do people make on a daily basis?
On a daily basis, we make like 15,000 if there is work, very well. But if there is no work, we make like 10,000
Yeah,
per day.
yeah, that's interesting. And you say you'll be the first child to enter university in your family.
Yes, sir.
What would you like to study in school?
Business admin.
Yeah, do you think that with this job, your father will be able to sponsor you to university?
Yes, sir.
Are you proud of the work?
Yes, I'm very, very, very proud.